Like I've said, we want peace in Delta State. And to those who want to make trouble in Warri, like I've told them before, they have not seen trouble. We don't want trouble. If you witness the crisis, the last crisis, you will not want to go into it. And we don't want it, we don't need it. We need to open Warri. We want investors to come into Warri. When there are crisis today, investors will not come. It will not be fair. Because that place needs to be developed more. We already do roads. We are doing the stadium already. We are doing other things. If the crisis starts today, those projects can't go on.
As it is now, I am the happiest man that Delta State is developing Warri and their region. Yes, whether you call it tribalism or as some people say he's not doing the right thing, I don't fucking care. How many of you remember when I made this video? Since 1991 that Delta State has been created out of old Bende State. Tell me one governor of Delta State that has performed like P2B, our next door governor of Anambra State. Tell me one that has performed like Donald Duke of Cross River State. I've been of like Akpabio of Akwa Ibom State. Even as they are saying that Akpabio is corrupt, now in APC. Even Soko Wike perform more than even Okowa that left in River State. An oil producing state that has more allocation from the federal character. Now, they are sworn in another new set of governors. See Abia, I enjoying the dividends of voting the right person. See our governor. After months of swearing in, is he celebrating court case? Say his name is Sheriff. And all our social media influencers, whether in a movie, whether in a comedy or skit making, or even football star, all we always do online is just saying, Warri no dey carry last, Warri no dey carry last. Come on for road, na dey carry last. No, na carry last. Among all the states that have been greatest since 1991 by IBB, check it out if Warri no dey carry last. Which infrastructure can you boast of? Which infrastructure can Delta State boast of? Asaba and Warri? Is it a crime that will transform Ueli or Saple or Warri to be like Vayans, the city with water, or Liverpool, where boats and things will be so sweet, it will be like Riverline Lake View area? Is it a crime? All of you, they claim say you know they carry last, but now you not carry last. We cannot even influence your common governor, commissioners, local government chairman, and councillors. All you just do, like our comedians, you just to go and crack joke for the new governor. They give you money, you walk away. They say charity begins at home. What have you done at home to influence the decisions of those ruling you people? Just come, Warri no dey carry last. Come off the road. As a Delta boy, it's painful. Now we carry last pass. We not even get shame, they talk am. We not even they look back. No people, no person. See, Mohbad die now. Now Delta boys you go see, including me, shouting, "Oh, justice for Mohbad, justice for Mohbad." What justice have you discovered in your state? What has it done? Oil theft everywhere. Criminals in the seat. Imagine it's only Festus Kayamo that has a federal connection. If Delta really gets smart people, all we have is Togri and Agboro everywhere. Shouting, Warri no dey carry last, Warri no dey carry last. Selfish people everywhere. All you just, they shout, Warri no dey carry last, just for you to make money on your own and go and sit down. None of them is using their platform or their influence to make sure that the people back home are doing well. Gather people, put pressure on the government of the day. Initiate some programs, no. So you can see the reason why I'm happy. If you say something and it comes to pass, you need to be happy. And if you advise someone, he uses your advice to do something, you should also be happy. Let's assume it is what I advise that he listened to, because I'm not sure that video that I made 2003, 2020, yeah, 2023 after the handover, is what the governor is using to work. Even though I know the video got up to 91,000 views on TikTok. But then, I'm happy that it's happening. At least someone is doing something that will benefit the state. Everywhere cannot be underdeveloped. Even if you like call it tribalism, that why is he doing it, not touching the state capital. You heard him saying he wants investors to come to Warri, which is very, very good. After all, do you blame him? No. We have 8 years of Okowa. But in the Anioma, data not at large, we are playing politics. Politics of self-destruction. And they don't want you to talk about it because they will say you are fighting to have Anioma state, you want to turn it to Southeast. Why won't I be able to say it's better we have a state? Why won't I? Look at it now. If Okowa has done this major road that we are complaining, see Anioma road. See road in Asaba. Asaba rainfall finish, no single drainage. That is the road in Asaba. There is no road in the southeast that you can see like this. Even in Onitsha will not be capital of Anambra State, you cannot see any road like this. But Asaba, the capital, see how bad it is. But we have a governor for the 8 years. It's only 2 years we want to blame this guy. He might actually finish and still do the road, which he has already said that they should stop some projects. He's going to do them. But how long? The capital so far. But he's doing something in his place, which is good. I said if we can have a person, a good person, that will develop those places. Yes. Develop it. I'm happy it's happening before our eyes. Because we have someone who is in 8 years, could not do anything in our locality, could not do road, could not put steady light, could not build anything, could not even bring foreign investor. And you want to blame the governor for doing what he's doing? We are going to suffer. See, if the Anioma state did not come, we are going to suffer this thing for the next maybe 10 years to come. Because we don't know where they will reach that or not. Now your eye will clear. As it is now, if they divide the state, we have a scattered, not arranged, disorganized capital as Asaba. Very yaga zigi city. No direction, nothing. Just the same thing I'm telling Ndi Igbo. If Nigeria divide today, the eastern and have no one mega city they can stand upon. That is the truth. Lagos have been developing. Abuja has been developing for the north. Kano have been developing. That is it. Of course, we know that. And let me tell you, this morning I was discussing with my cousin. He said, look, Igbos are going to suffer more. Because if they divide Nigeria today, the so-called tax many of you will be imposed to pay for the properties and investment you have in Lagos will make you leave those things and run away. I know many of you are not thinking about it. Go back, come and invest. We have been saying it. Akuruno initiative. Go back, come and invest. Ojuku said it before he died. A lot of people have been saying it, hammering it, but now they take us serious. Look at it now. It seems like the governor knew that the state will be divided and he concentrated in his place, working to make sure that the investors come and invest there. I ask this question. Is there any factory, industry in the whole of Delta North that can employ more than 1,000 people? More than 1,000, just 1,000. Among all the 9 local governments, there is no company that you say this is the state company, this is what is manufacturing. Because I keep saying it, even as Indibo is shouting about seaports. Seaports is not investment. Importation is not investment. It's normal buying and selling. Yes, it's normal buying and selling. If you want to invest, start doing production. Invest in something that will create more opportunity, not buying and selling, having shop and container, which is not a bad thing, no, because Nigerian system made it that people don't produce. But this is where you are supposed to be going to now. How do I start manufacturing? Like Innocent is doing. There are 2 car companies in the east. They are doing. The other machine, keke, in Aba, they are doing some things. This is what it's supposed to be. And this is what Warri is doing. They are developing, building. He's building stadium, putting things in place. You want to blame him? Foul. It is good it's happening before our eyes. For those who don't want to support Anioma, now he will not be saying, we want Anioma state, but we don't want it to zone to southeast. You are just lying to yourself. You are just lying to yourself. Why did you don't want it to be zoned to southeast? They are not secure. Ndi will do this. You are just lying to yourself. Are they not better than us? Are they not doing better than us? I listed the things that the southeastern states are doing better than us. Abia state is the most secure state in Nigeria today. Abia. That is, you are just lying to yourself. You want you to go to the west. People in Kwara, I showed a video of a king and a wife who sold these people who are using, who they caught with 120 million naira cash in their house because they are selling their people for kidnapping. It's not about zoning. It's not about where you are going to. It's about you. Who are you ready to vote in to rule you? Election is coming. What are you doing to decide who we? I told you, the youth of Nigeria should be involved. Mostly the southern youth should be involved in politics instead of joining Nigerian army or police. The government will say, join politics. Politics is very simple, where you make decision, where you decide who will rule you. Democracy is called government of the people, by the people, for the people. But you remove yourself in the question and be claiming you are not being treated well by the government. It's high time you evolve in your politics, starting from the grassroots, from your councillor down to your local government chairman, down to your governors, down to the House of Rep, State Assembly, all of them. Once you're able to do this, you will put the right people in place and your state will start working. Security is not a rocket scientist. But something has to be done. You have to be involved. You want to eat where you did not reap. You did not vote them in, but you want them to do work for you. Foul. And some people will come and tell me, say, 2023, we came out. How many of you came out? If they line up and say people who truly come out and vote, can you come out? Now, that day when I go church, go pray. With the prayer, I want to pray. See wetin Tinubu dey do all of now. With all the lie where the pastors told all of now. When you go pray, as you feel nonchalant, see the nonchalant, see they hit you. So it's not high time you embrace it and see the outcome of it. I'm out of here, John.